Shekhar Suman, who was one of the celebrities demanding justice for Sushant Singh Rajput, reacted to Rhea getting bail and said that legally they seem to have reached the end of the road in their fight for the late actor. The actor had even held a press conference in Patna soon after Sushant's demise and poked holes in the Mumbai police's investigation. In the aftermath of Sushant Singh Rajput's demise, Shekhar Suman had visited the late actor's home in Bihar and even made allegations of foul play in the actor's demise, stating often with conviction that the actor had not caused his own demise. He also alleged that Disha and Sushant's demises were linked. But now, with the AIMS report stating otherwise and Rhea being released on bail, it seems like the actor may have to withdraw his earlier claims. Take a look. He had even shared graphic details about the late actor's mortal remains and their appearance, which he claimed didn't indicate that he had caused his own demise. Even as the NCB widened its investigation and started questioning Bollywood celebrities, Mr. Suman has said that the focus should be on Sushant's demise and finding the link between Sushant and Disha's case, which he believed might be related. However, in the past few days, those advocating a foul play angle and anti-Rhea theories have received two setbacks. एम्स की रिपोर्ट जिसमें लिखा गया था कि सुशांत के देहांत में किसी दूसरे व्यक्ति का हाथ नहीं था और बॉम्बे हाई कोर्ट का वर्डिक्ट जिसने रिया को बेल पे आजाद किया है. Shekhar Suman, changing his stand based on the current reality, wrote on social media sharing his disappointment. Rhea gets bail out of jail. No contradiction in CBI and AIMS report. Miranda and Dipesh granted bail. No second forensic team to be formed. The end. Ghar chale? Murder theory put to rest next to Sushant Singh Rajput. The rest doesn't matter. Rest in peace, SSR. Adding that legally those fighting for SSR may have met with a dead end legally, लेकिन emotionally उनकी इंसाफ की जंग हमेशा जारी रहेगी. Let's not stay in denial. We have created the system, we can't fight against it, and we have to accept their verdict. We fought for the CBI, so now, legally, this is the end of the road. Emotionally, we will go on fighting. The actor says कि वो गुस्सा भी है और दुखी भी कि एम्स टीम के फाइंडिंग्स सुशांत के केस को नया मोड़ नहीं दे पाया. He also states that maybe the CBI was given the case too late, because of which they were helpless. उन्होंने एविडेंस ढूंढने की कोशिश जरूर की होगी, but maybe it was too late. While Shekhar Suman feels it's the end of the road, many Bollywood personalities have welcomed the court's decision to release Rhea on bail after the NCB could not prove that she was in any way seriously involved with banned substance cartel or in the illegal trade of banned substances. Anubhav Sinha and actor Farhan Akhtar, Vidya Balan and Taapsee Pannu were amongst the many celebrities who expressed their relief about Rhea's release.